sorry ass DJ. You can get some.
Good morning, good morning. So, maaga akong kumising today kasi may dumating na post. So, i-unbox ko siya for you guys. So, I was scrolling the other day in Amazon and I found this. So, I thought I have to buy it for my boyfriend. And he will love it for sure. So I will open it now. It was on sale. He have one already, but this one is been too old and sometimes it don't work good. And so I decided to give him a late birthday gift. So I ordered it on Wednesday and ta-da! It come today. First thing in the morning. I don't know how to open it, so I have to open it. I have to break the box, break the box. That means I cannot return it because I'm breaking it. So, ta-da! So we have this. Is a trash. A trash. I can use it to fire the wood. And ta-da! So it's empty now. That's all we have is one box. It's only one box. Oh, it's a really big one. It's a really big one. It's a loudspeaker, a Bluetooth loudspeaker. Play and charge endlessly. So that's what it says. So we have to open it. How can I open it? So it's been too much tape on it. So it's been taped. Okay. So yan. It's hard to open. So it's from JBL Harman. JBL. It's a little bit dark. I don't know why. Or it's too much light behind me. We look. Then it will be too dark. So we open it again. Maybe we close this one. Yeah. So yeah. So we open it. I'm so excited actually, even though it's not for me. So I don't know what is this, but I have to look at it. It's the charger. It's the charger. And then this is the manual. The manual. We have to open the manual. It's a manual, which normally we don't use and read it. We are too lazy to read the manual. So we make it kaput, then that means we don't return it anymore. So there's a destruction there. It's all everywhere. So it only says don't charge it when it's in the water, of course. So it's a lot of instruction for English, with the warranty and everything. So it's all there. Yeah, so these are the manual. Oh, it's a little bit big. That's what he had last time. So, but they don't have a cable thing charge. Okay. So, here you go. That's it. That's what it's in the box. It's a good speaker for my boyfriend. And we have to turn it on to try it and see how it works. We turned it on. Wow. So, Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. Mahal ko, can I borrow your phone to try it? I want to try it, please. Yeah. And it's in the cooker. It's in the cooker, your phone. You can turn on your Bluetooth, please. It's already on the Bluetooth, and so it's called Charge Essential JBL. So we have to try if it works good. You don't want to be.
Don't choose.
We have to find it. We have to remove this. How to remove umbinin? Na?
No.
We remove that one for now. And copel is
And copper now.
so da. Then we have to go to your YouTube. Okay. And your music. Cool! Nice. Good, Dad. Good, Dad. Your favorite song. Kamusta ka, aking mahal? By Freddy Aguilar.
Okay.
It's really good, huh? So this is the late birthday gift. And obviously we are playing the song, that means I will have a copyright. I will It's okay. Okay. So that's it. Basically it is really good and I can recommend to buy it. This is normally sale. I get it for $99.99 and normally it was $150. And that's it. Goodbye.
That's a video, right?
Get?